Good morning, kids. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, today I'm here to explain you chapter number 5, the food we eat. Let's begin. India is a large country having several states. The states having different climates and landforms. The crops grown in a state depends on the climate, the land, the soil. Crops give us food, which is basic necessity of life. It is needed to grow and stay healthy. Different types of crops grown by the farmers in India are food grains, pulses, vegetables and fruits. The food that people in a region eat the most becomes their staple food. For example, people of South India and Northeast mostly eat rice. The people of North India mostly eat wheat and bajra. The people in the coastal areas eat a lot of fish as it is easily available in the region. Food grains. Many types of food grains are grown in our country, such as wheat, rice, maize, jowar, ragi, bajra. Pulses like gram, masoor, arhar, black gram, moong, kidney beans are grown all over the country. Pulses are rich source of protein. The staple food of various regions is as North India wheat, East India rice, West India jawar and bajra, South India rice. Fruits and vegetables. Different varieties of fruits and vegetables are eaten in different seasons. Ladyfinger, bitter gourd, bottle gourd are the vegetables eaten during summers. Cabbage, cauliflower, peas, radish, carrot are eaten during winters. Different states of our country are famous for growing particular fruits and vegetables. Himachal Pradesh is also called as the apple bowl of India. Nasik is famous for growing grapes. Nagpur is famous for growing oranges. Kashmir is famous for growing apples and Ladakh is famous for growing apricots. Oil seeds and spices. Indian dishes are famous all over the world because of their unique color, aroma, and taste. The spices we use add special flavor to our food. Some common Indian spices are clove means long, turmeric means haldi, coriander means dhania, pepper means kali mirch, and cardamom means elaichi. Along with the spices, different types of vegetable oils are also used to prepare food in our country. Oil used for cooking are extracted from oil seeds or plant. Vegetable oil are the oils obtained from mustard, coconut and groundnut. Not only the ingredients but the method of cooking food also affects the taste of dish. Ways to cook food. There are different methods used to cook food. Food can be boiled, fried, steamed, baked, or roasted. Boiling. It is the method used to cook food using boiling water. Frying. Frying is a method used where the food is fried in the oil. Steaming. It is a method where food is cooked using steam. Baking. Here the food is cooked in an oven. Sweets. All Indian meals is incomplete without a sweet dish or a dessert. Every state has its own special sweet. Some sweet are prepared on special festival. For example, Gujia on Holi, Sevaiya on Eid and Ghevar on Tej. The famous sweet in North India is the barfi, gulab jamun and the laddu. In East India, Rasagulla and Sandesh. In West India, Shrikhand and Modak. Now in South India, Paisam and Mysore Pak. Transporting food. Crops are grown in fields and farms by farmer. Farmers sell their farm produce in wholesale market or mandis. The farm produce is purchased by shopkeeper from the wholesale market or mandis. When the produce reaches the market, we buy it from shop and vendors. India has a well developed system of transporting that help to transport food from one place to another. Aeroplanes, trains, and trucks are used for the transportation of farm produce. Cold storage are also well equipped to store food items for a long duration. So, kids, today we have completed our lesson number 5. I hope all the topics are clear to you. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.